It's really hard to leave Las Vegas because you're so spoiled by the food. Even going to like the cheapest buffets, you have like, I wouldn't eat eggs or pancakes at these buffets because there's salad and so much other stuff to eat. Fruit, veggie dishes, meat, chicken for breakfast. So eating at Denny's and spending $23 on a bill with just a Grand Slam and a club sandwich is still more than what we pay at a local's buffet. We're so spoiled. You get hot chocolate with whipped cream, you get desserts, you get fruit, you know. It's like a 4-course meal.
10 courses.
10 courses. Where at Denny's, you get a Grand Slam and a club sandwich, and I got water with lemons, and he got lemonade mango. So you really do appreciate Vegas so much more when you leave. When you live there and you leave, you look forward to coming home and having a buffet. No, but the restaurants are amazing in Las Vegas. And a lot of things are amazing in Las Vegas. That's why we live there.